When last did you touch your breast? I know the men that are going to pass this video, but come back. When last did you touch your breast? In today's video, I'm here to talk about breast self examination. Breast self examination doesn't prevent cancer, or it will just help you to know when the lump in the breast is starting to develop, or when there is an abnormality in the early stage, so you'll be able to visit the hospital or meet with your doctor. For my get list, breast self-examination should be done 3 to 5 days after your monthly period. And then breast self-examination, there are different methods you can do that. We have the circular method and then the clockwise method. You can sit or you can lie down to do the breast self-examination. So first thing that you need is the mirror. You need your mirror, because that's the only thing that can show the reflection of your body. First thing, you stand in front of your mirror, you undress, you admire your breasts, look at it, are they equal? I know it's normal for one breast to be bigger than the other, but once there is a significant increase in size, know that there is an abnormality, so you have to see the doctor. You look at your breast, check if there is any redness in the breast. If you notice any redness, if you notice any part of your breast that the color is different from this other part, you have to check, or you go to the hospital. Then you check for discharge. You squeeze your nipple. Once you squeeze the nipple, if there is any discharge coming out, know that there is high prolactin. It's not a normal thing. You go to the hospital. It's better early than late. Let's get into the main steps of breast self-examination. First, you stand in front of the mirror. You stand upright, and then one hand by the side. This other side of the breast that you want to examine, the other hand should be at the back of your head, and then you are standing. This other hand, you'll be using it. We are using the circular method. You can recall I said that you can use the circular method or the clockwise. So we are using the circular method. So it starts from here, from your axilla. Then you use these 4 fingers. You are not using the tip of the fingers. You are using the main fingers. You start from the axilla, then you palpate round your breast from the outer part, then you palpate till you get to the nipples. If you should feel any lump round the breast, you will have to meet with your doctor, or you go to any health facility and tell them, so that they can also examine the breast as well by themselves. If you want to use the clockwise method is just that you still carry out the same procedure, but you won't be palpating around the breast. You just be palpating from the outer part of the breast, then you get to the nipple area. You palpate like that round the breast. You just be palpating in case you feel anything. And then, important points, look at the skin round your nipple. If it's looking like the back of an orange peel, it's not normal. If you should notice any of these abnormalities, you don't have to get worried. You don't have to worry yourself. That is why I said it's better early than late. So you have to be checking it monthly. So you should notice it. That means that it's still early. You go to the hospital, and then your doctor will know what to administer and the next solution for you. So don't have to worry yourself about anything. If you have any question or there is anything, you can drop in the comment section. See you in our next video.